Doctors, have you ever met a patient who defied all laws of medicine? One of my prior patients is a roofer who lived a very full life of alcohol, women, and partying. He had HIV, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, had liver disease, and was ghostly thin, weighing 95 pounds at 6'2". In the hospital, he was angry and didn't listen to anyone, refusing antiviral therapy no matter how much it was recommended. I first met him in the ICU where he had full-blown AIDS, end-stage liver disease, hepatorenal syndrome, unexplained lymph nodes all over his body, variceal hemorrhage, Kaposi's sarcoma, and spontaneous bacterial peritonitis. The prognosis of in-hospital death was literally 99%. I was involved in his care for 2 weeks, and again he refused every therapy that his primary physicians suggested. At the end of the 2 weeks, he was somehow still alive, and was then sent to a hospice for patients with advanced HIV to live out his remaining few days. I didn't hear about him again until 1 year later, when I got a call from the hospice requesting a follow-up appointment for him. I was in pure disbelief that he was still alive, and I asked if it was possible to talk to him. They gave the phone to him, and he told me he was all better. It turns out he had a huge crush on his nurse in the hospice, and he did everything she asked in order to please her. He took his medication for the first time, attended all forms of therapy, and she slowly nursed him back to health, including taking his medications for the first time. She had slowly nursed him back to health. She even convinced him to restart HIV meds, then put him on a low-salt diet for his liver disease, and then eventually got him up and mobile. He then spent another 6 months in rehab, and finally went back to work. He started coming to me for regular checkups from that point on, and we treated his hepatitis C. His liver disease shockingly improved too, and after a couple of years he moved away to another place to start a construction company, and became rather successful financially. He tells me he still loves call girls though.